With the vision of connecting New India between Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns to their closest city hubs, Alliance Air launches multiple flight operations in Northeast to connect multiple regional dots on the aviation map of the eastern part of the country. Aerial connectivity has further enhanced in mountainous cities of Northeast India, which plays a vital role with not only connecting the residents of various cities with ease of travel, but also plays a major role in building tourism and trade for the region. Alliance Air further expands its wings in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Mizoram, Manipur and Meghalaya on the 30th of October 2022. The inauguration was graced by Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia, the Minister of State for Civil Aviation General V.K. Singh, and Chief Ministers of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur and Meghalaya. From Mizoram, the inauguration was graced by Robert Ramoya Roite, the Mizoram Minister for Tourism. New flights will open a seamless gateway and smooth aerial access option for nature lovers, travelers, tourists and others.
Will provide much needed intra-regional mobility. All of these flights will also strengthen the tourism sector in the region. We understand the challenges in operating flights in smaller sectors, and we collectively and individually appreciate the consistent efforts by Ministry of Civil Aviation and Alliance Air. We look forward to introduction of more flights, especially from bordering countries like Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, and also from Far East nations. Once again, I wish these flights the very best. Kublai Shibun, Mathela, and Jai Hind.